We're here with Dr. Nathan Newman, cosmetic surgeon and medical director of the Orchid Surgery Center in Beverly Hills. And today we're going to talk about Scarless facelifts. Thank you for being with us today.
Good to be here.
Scarless facelifts, Dr. Newman. That sounds almost too good to be true. I mean, everyone is looking for a less expensive, less invasive, more natural alternative to the traditional facelift. But there are so many options out there. How do you decide what is best for you?
The best thing we do is we look at the overall picture of what's happened to the skin over the years. We look at how the fat has changed, how the skin has changed, and we see where you've lost the fat, because as we age, we lose the fat in our cheek area. We get this tear trough deformity, we get the bags under our eyes, we get the saggy eyes, we get the deep lines here because the skin sags as the volume is lost, as the fat is gone, and we get the jowls. So we look at how much sun damage you have, how much the damage is, in order to decide how much treatment you need and what treatment you need in order to improve it.
What falls under the category of a scarless facelift? What type of procedures?
Basically, it's a combination of lasers, fillers, and threads. So we don't have to cut the skin. The fillers, the best filler to replace the fat that has been lost is obviously fat, because that's what was there. So we basically reposition the fat. We take it from where it shouldn't be to where it should be. So we take it from anywhere on the body and we inject it into the areas where you've lost the fat.
We've just been discussing with Dr. Newman the Scarless facelift, and now we have an opportunity to talk to someone who actually has undergone those procedures. Anna, thank you so much for being with us here today. Anna, several years ago you had a traditional facelift.
Yes.
And now you are with Dr. Newman and you did some procedures the Scarless facelift way. Why did you decide to take that route?
Because it's very easy procedure, it's very comfortable, it's no pain, and keep your skin very tight, and in a couple of minutes you feel just wonderful, and you don't have to think in another procedure again.
We're here now with Liz, who underwent liposuction for the first time. Thank you, Liz, for being with us.
Thank you.
Liz, why did you decide on liposuction?
I decided to have liposuction because I had gained a few pounds after high school, and it seemed no matter how much I went to the gym or did sit-ups, my waist wasn't slimming down like the rest of my body, and I just felt liposuction might be able to help there.
Dr. Newman, why was Liz such a great candidate for liposuction?
Liz is actually why liposuction was created, was to get rid of fat pockets in individuals who were unable to otherwise get rid of them. There's hormonal issues, there's genetic issues where we get fat pockets, and regardless of dieting or exercise, we're not able to get rid of them. And this was the case here, and we used the STAR technique, which is the latest technique in liposuction, to give her the sculpted results that she wants.
You mentioned sculpting. This is a very aesthetic, almost artistic procedure. Do you actually sculpt the body?
The technique that we use as we're taking out the fat is sculpting the body. So you have to be very careful how you're doing it so it comes out evenly and comes out with the shape that you eventually are trying to achieve.
Liz, you have agreed to let us see the results of your procedure, your beautiful sculpted procedure.
Okay.
Could you share that with us for our audience?
Okay.
You look amazing. Just amazing. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I know everyone's going to benefit from your experience. And Dr. Newman, thank you so much for this wonderful information.
Thank you.
And thank you for joining us.